Now, President John Mahama has announced his readiness to assent to a bill seeking to remove constitutional restrictions that currently bar dual citizens or individuals owing allegiance to other country from holding certain public offices. Speaking during an engagement with Ghanaian residents in Philadelphia, United States, he noted that remittances were the second highest contributor to Ghana's foreign exchange earnings in 2025, after gold bringing in $7.8 billion. He added that once the bill is signed, no Ghanaian in the diaspora will require to renounce their citizenship before fully participating in political administration of the country.
Remittances amounted last year was a record to $7.8 billion inflows into Ghana. And that is why we're sponsoring and support a bipartisan bill in our parliament that members of the Ghanaian diaspora can participate fully in the political administration of our country. And so that clause in our constitution that excludes you, we have a bill in parliament that is bipartisan. It means both sides support it, that we will amend that bill. You don't need to renounce your citizenship or your resident status before you stand for parliament or be appointed as a minister in Ghana.
Says his government is putting in place mechanisms that will allow Ghanaians in the diaspora to contribute meaningfully to the country's development.
We're bringing the legislation to Parliament for the diaspora bond. And so you'll be able to not donate, but invest in a diaspora bond. And that bond will be invested in improving the infrastructure in Ghana, and you earn an interest on your investment.
President John Mahama also rejected claims that recent security recruitment exercises were influenced by favoritism. According to him, measures were implemented to ensure fairness, including the use of digital systems designed to reduce human interference and promote transparency in the selection process. There were some light-hearted moments too.
But I believe that we are defined by our culture. We are who we are because of our cultural identity. And so wherever you go, be proud to be an African. Be proud to be a Ghanaian. You know, one of the things everybody says about Kofi Annan, he was one of the longest Ghanaians who stayed in the diaspora. It didn't change his accent. Today, somebody comes to America for 4 weeks. Can you take me to Kokomlemle? Can you take me to Kokomlemle? Where is Kokomlemle? We have Kokomlemle and Adabraka, not Adabraka.